that's main, Abby. So do you want to clear here? Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Ashton, do you want to try anything
do you
else?
want to try anything else for the mains? Yeah, done.
Yeah, it's done. It's done.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't eat a burger?
Sorry. You don't.
No, the main. Let the main go. Let the main come.
Is this the main?
Yes.
So this is Abula.
Abula?
Abula.
And this is traditional food.
Traditional food.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Now Ashton's gonna try Abula first time. What do I put this? Thank you. We need spoons. Okay, fantastic.
Spoon?
One spoon for you. Okay. Alright.
Alright, chat. First meal in Nigeria. What is this
First
called?
Abula.
First Abula?
First
That's what you were teaching me about.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is beef. Okay, so I have to show you.
Is this pasta?
No, that's just food. That's just beef, part of beef. So we call it assorted meats.
I can eat that, right? That, right?
You can eat that.
This is good.
Yes.
Right here.
So just put it on the side. You can put it there. Okay?
Boom. That's all I need, right?
No, that's not what you need. So I'm trying to show you. So I'm trying to show you what you're going to. So basically, I'm going to go from the side.
Yeah.
Right? So you can see the ewedu and the begiri.
Yeah.
And then you basically scoop it like this.
Ah, the
Okay?
sauce.
The sauce and then, yeah.
Is it hot?
Yum.
No chewing.
No chewing, just swallow.
Okay.
Utadio. Yeah.
Why do you touch you?
Whole lot of carbs.
No
No,
carbs.
no, no.
No carbs.
No carbs?
No. It's very light. Oh, no, I'm serious. Like, it's very light. So in my mind, it's zero carbs. What do you think?
It's fire. This is smooth. It's smooth.
It's smooth?
Exactly. It goes like all the way.
I'm
It's
gonna,
smooth. It just goes straight down.
Is this the zobo thing?
yeah.
Okay, so
I'm
zobo.
gonna try and mix.
Alright, so look, now I'm gonna try the pasta part of it.
No, that's
meat?
not pasta, that's the beef.
Do I eat this?
No, use
Yeah, well,
your knife.
Let's try.
Take cut it.
Let me. No, let me. Should I cut some for you?
Yeah.
Okay, it's soft. It's soft.
So this is good.
Fantastic.
This is the beef.
This is tripe. It's
Tripe,
tripe.
shaki.
We call it shaki.
Shaki.
But it's
Shaki?
tripe.
Yeah, shaki.
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 not
No,
shaki.
shaki.
It's the stomach, basically.
The lining.
The lining
The
of
stomach
the
lining.
stomach.
No, it's good. It's good. It's good meat.
I left that out
Like
after
what
I
we
tried
say.
it.
So the
You told
next
me that after
one.
I tried it.
So now
This
this
is
is
a
what
good one.
This one I was like, it's like food.
Fufu.
No, but it's pounded yam.
No, this is fufu.
New set of
Pounded
problems.
yam.
Yeah.
And in
This
Yoruba,
is fufu.
No.
Ashton,
Pounded yam.
it's pounded yam. The Yoruba name for this is inyo. Can you say inyo?
Inyo?
Inyo.
Oh, that was good. That was good. That was good. That was so good.
So how you're going to eat this one is you take some of the pounded yam with these two.
Pounded
Yeah,
yam.
we need new. Yeah, can we get new spoons, please?
So you don't eat this with your fingers?
Oh, you can.
You chop it, right?
No. Well, yeah.
You cut.
Yeah, you cut.
Yeah.
And then you put it. So do you want to use your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe can we get sanitizer?
Spoon as well, please.
Properly. You have to wash your hands in a bowl. No?
Okay,
Yeah,
can
we need a bowl.
can we get a bowl with water?
They want to use
Water,
your hand.
I feel like a real African.
So whatever is what doing well.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay?
Then I think if he's gonna do that, then let him have the entire plate. You're not meant to serve it out.
Yeah.
You meant, yeah, from inside, yes, so yeah.
Well, in some homes we all eat from one plate and just.
Yeah, we're
But you don't scoop into it
Yeah.
flat.
African family.
No, you just go straight from
Good,
plate
no
to
worries.
mouth.
I love it. Do we have water?
Wet wipes.
If they don't have the bowl, that is so non-African.
Okay, you know what? Let's just use this spoon. I think it's still also supposed to use the spoon.
No, let him use his hand. Then we use the wet wipes like that.
Do we have one?
He wants to wash his hands to eat the pounded yam. You have a bowl?
You don't have.
Do you wanna try this? Let's try the zobo in the meantime.
We have a bowl. Let's grab us a bowl.
So you just get like wipes. Okay, so let's bring wipes then.
It's a bougie restaurant.
Yeah, it is. So
They
like,
forgot their roots.
But you know that's a good thing, right? Because I would explain. So we don't have a lot of restaurants like of this quality that serve Nigerian food. There'll be a few of them coming up now.
okay.
There'll be a few of them coming up now, and we appreciate them for keeping our food. So you don't see like a fine dining approach, you know, like pretentious type of plating. This is still how it is now.
Okay, so
Keeping that culture.
Yeah,
while we're waiting for the wipes, so do you want to try the zobo?
we do it.
Yeah.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Ooh, just take a little sip first.
Should they mix
Wait,
it?
what is this?
Zobo.
Is it alcohol?
No,
No. Look at this leaf.
that's the zobo
It's
leaf.
called zobo leaf.
And then you wash it, and then you boil it, and then you strain it.
Version drink.
Yeah.
I think a lot of African countries have zobo. Some people call it sorrel.
Sorrel.
Jamaicans call it sorrel.
What do you think?
It's good. It's too good though.
Does it have ginger
It's like
in
it's
it?
dangerous.
Okay, so that's ginger. And some zobo. Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Both. Both. This chunk is fire. Yeah, I'm about to put this up.
Oh, 2 sips. A lot of sugar?
No sugar.
Oh, no sugar at all?
So
It's
impossible.
ginger and
It's
pineapple.
impossible.
so it's natural sweetness. So we use fruits.
We use fruits to
Pineapple.
sweeten.
So natural sugar.
Natural
yes.
sugars, exactly.
Still too much, huh?
It doesn't take sugar.
It's good. It's amazing.
Okay.
No, so let's.
You keeping yours. You keeping yours. And he said, yeah, I'm gonna let him do what he does. I'm gonna keep mine.
Okay, can I see?
Just use the spoon. It's fine.
You don't even know.
They can just bring a bowl, right?
They don't want to bring a bowl. No. They don't want to bring a bowl. They don't want to bring it. Okay, they brought the wipes.
They brought it?
I don't know. That's the guy that's bringing wipes. This is getting cool.
Yeah, he's in no hurry. Brother,
Where's the wipes?
What was that?
thank you, boss. Thank you. These
Are
are
those
the
the
wipes?
wipes?
Oh,
Sorry.
Should we clear this one out?
yeah, good. I like the soup. I like the soup better. The stomach, I'm good on the stomach.
No, but it wasn't just okay.
I'm good on the
So
stomach.
what you had was
If I have to be honest, I'm good on the
That's
stomach.
why.
Assorted meat. Just
Assorted.
assorted meat. So
You know, like the mixture is called
just
orishi.
the
But they have
non-meaty
the
part of
beef
beef.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
They
here,
have,
here you can do
assorted
beef.
or beef.
You can do fish.
Yeah, or fish.
I told her I've never tried it.
Never had amala.
Stop.
I'm telling
Did
you.
you try it now?
No,
Why?
she said there's something
That
about
would
the
have been
color.
a good thing for the both
She said
of you.
there's something about the color, something.
Trying though. I'm Nigerian. I haven't tried it.
Oh, you never tried this?
No, I've tried before.
But she hasn't
But
tried
the
Abula.
This? You didn't try this?
No, Abula, the one before,
Oh.
the amala one.
Dang, why not?
It's not my thing.
I should have tried. You tried it.
Yeah. Tell him bring it back out. It's never too late. Tell him bring it back out.
You know, the beautiful thing about Abula for me is the balance. So a lot of food is just stew and main. But Abula has vegetables, stew,
Has
beans,
protein.
the texture of the beans, the
She cannot
protein.
relate. She's just like, what are you saying? No amala slander, please. Me, I'm the amala queen. Crown,
But
self-crown.
Ashton, what's your most favorite thing to eat?
Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza.
What?
All that
How? How did we go
I eat
from
them.
here?
Look, the box is as big as this table right here. I eat the whole box.
No.
Is that the wife?
Don't buy that.
Wet napkins.
Okay, so
Jacksonville,
Okay.
Florida, North Florida.
Alright, napkins are here.
The country part.
Okay.
Country. Oh, okay. Yeah, I went to school in Orlando. I went to college in Orlando. We lived in Orlando for a couple of years. And now I live in Miami.
There you go.
So you take this.
Right?
Yeah.
What's your hand?
Dang, they're trying to burn me. God.
Get all the germs out.
It's too hot.
What?
Sanitizer.
You're about to sanitize my skin off.
Pretty bad.
Do you want to try the?
Are you gonna try it as well? You wanna try this one?
So,
I'll
so
wait.
you.
Cut like this or cut like this?
Anyhow.
Oh, she's
Cut
done
like
it
this.
already.
That's how I live.
See, grip it. Use the grip. Take it. Yeah, cut it.
Finger scissors.
Cut it and then I want to do one try.
Yeah, cut it and dip
Cut
it
it
in the
and then take
Use
it
that
same
spoon.
time.
Yeah.
Same time.
Are you ready?
You get this corner, I'm gonna get this corner.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's do it.
You know how to do it? A real African man.